Hey guys, another Consport video. This one's on interpreting linear expressions. Let's go. Alright, so it says the school charges $6 per ticket to a dance. They spend $300 on music and decorations. The expression 6n minus 300 describes the amount of profit the school makes from the dance if n students buy tickets. So $6 per ticket, 6 times the number of people buying tickets, minus the $300, and that's minus the cost that they had. So that would be the profit, right? So how much they raised is 6n, and then take away the cost for the event, that's 300, and then that would be the profit. So what does 6n represent in this context? So 6 times n is going to be $6 per ticket. So basically this is the total amount of money raised by the ticket sales. So this is the amount of money the school charges for all n tickets, the amount of money the school spends on the dance, the number of students who buy the tickets, the profit the school earns per ticket. So it's obviously A. So it's the amount of money the school charges for all n tickets. So however many tickets they sell times $6 a ticket gives the total amount they charge for all the tickets. Okay, the next one. Today, Isaac needs to walk his dog, water the garden, and feed the fish. D is the number of minutes it takes to walk his dog. G is the number of minutes it takes to water the garden. And F is the number of minutes it takes to feed his fish. The expression G plus the quantity of D plus F describes the total number of minutes it takes Isaac to do all three tasks. We can also use the expression the quantity of G plus D plus F to represent the same quantity. Basically, all they did is they moved the parentheses. It's all addition. So this is the associative property of addition. Match each amount in the situation with the expression that it represents. Okay, for reference, the dog is an animal and he needs to go outside to walk. The garden is a bunch of plants, not an animal, and it is outside. The fish is an animal and she lives in a water tank inside. Okay. So situation, the total minutes of the inside tasks. All right, so the way that they've set this up is the fish is an inside task, and that's the only inside task. So the total minutes of the inside task is just F. Okay, that's it. That's the inside task. That makes sense. It's already lined up. The total minutes of the outside tasks, well, that would be the dog and the garden, right? So D and G together. Okay, the total minutes of the tasks involving animals, well, that would be the dog and the fish. The garden is not an animal. It says here, not an animal. So that means that you're looking at the dog and the fish. And the total minutes of the task not involving animals, that would be the garden on its own. So that's it. Okay, Martin likes to make flower bouquets that have 3 daffodils and 4 tulips per vase. The daffodil has a mass of D grams, the tulip has a mass of T grams, and the vase has a mass of V grams. The expression 5 times the quantity of 3D plus 4T plus V describes the mass of 5 bouquets. So 5 is the number of bouquets. The weight of each bouquet is that expression right there that you see there, 3D plus 4T plus V, because it's 3 daffodils, 4 tulips, and then the vase itself. Okay? Match each amount in the situation with the expression that represents it. So the number of bouquets, that's 5. Mass of one bouquet, that's the quantity inside here, 3D plus 4T plus V. Mass of tulips in one bouquet, mass of the tulips would be 4T. And the mass of the daffodils one bouquet, that would be 3D. That's it. Okay, Jasmine is a pet groomer. She charges N dollars to clip a dog's nails, W dollars to wash the dog, H dollars to cut a dog's hair. Jasmine will perform all 3 services for each of the 4 dogs she needs to groom this weekend. Which expression can we use to describe how much Jasmine will charge for grooming all 4 dogs? Well, for every dog, right, she's going to get N dollars for the nails, W dollars for the wash, and H dollars for the hair. So she's going to get N plus W plus H, and she's going to do it 4 times. So it'd be 4 times the quantity of N plus W plus H. Like that's the cost of everything for each dog times the 4 dogs. That's one way to think about it. then you could distribute, right? You could say that's 4 times the cost of the nails, 4 times the cost of the wash, 4 times the cost of the hair. Okay. So that could be 4n plus 4w plus 4h. And so these both are equivalent expressions. That's it. That's how you do it. Okay, let's stop it there.